Guys, welcome to IndiaBees. In this video, we are going to discuss about the image tag in HTML. Hope you are safe in the pandemic situation. In the previous video, you might seen about the HTML syntax and basic softwares to edit and work with the HTML. Please watch until the end of this video to know about the giveaway surprise. So what we are going to cover today, image tags in HTML. Image tag is used to embed the image in the HTML page using the source attribute. We have discussed about the attributes in the previous video. I will give the link in the description, and you can see the link in the top of the video. Here is an example for image tag, where you can see this image.jpg. That image will be in our source path, and the alt, its alt is an attribute. If the image is not available from the source path, then it will show this text message to the users to aware them that the image is not available, and width and height for that image, so that should be a mandatory width and height. Otherwise you can leave as it is, so it can take the default browser's height and width or image original size. Let's go to the source which we have provided for the development purpose. And this source we have provided in first video of HTML. So this is development source, and finally you will be able to develop this page. So in the last course we have seen about the head tag and strong and span, and how to change the indents and all. So in this video we are going to see about the image tag. Source is the main thing. So in this source only you will be sharing the path where the images are available. So if you put slash in the double quotes for the slash, it will automatically shows the path to the image, and these three images are available, which I have already provided there. So once you save this and refresh the page and check for the image that is added or not. Say the image is in this not available part. Okay, so if you are mentioning the alt here, image is for branding. Okay, if this image is not available, then you will be getting this alt message, image is for branding. So image is for branding image is missing in our source path, so you have to check whether this image is available or not. Okay, 300 into 300 or png is available, so you have to mention that image. Now you can check the image will be available. Now you are able to see the images, right? So this is the image which we have provided here. So it took the device height and width as per the image resolution, so you can change that too. So I can make the height to 100 and width to 100 as well. Here we have added the height and width to 100, and let's go to the source, and if you refresh the page, you can see that the image we have added is not changed to 100 into 100 ratio. So you have to debug whether the other designs have mismatched with this or not. So here the image tag, we'll see about this CSS kind of stuff in our upcoming videos. So here you can see the width is auto, so you have to remove the width that is auto. So now you can see the height and width, change it to 100 into 100 ratio, which we have provided in the image tag. So that's it guys about this video. You can also add by using the inline style as well, style using the class name and that kind of stuff also you can add like this. So those can be discussed in upcoming videos. Let's see about the summary. What we have seen today: the image tag, how to show the image using the image tag, and we have used some attributes for image for changing the styles and like that, things at all. And thanks for watching guys. Sorry guys, forgot to tell about the giveaway. You should need to join in our Discord. The link will be provided in the description, so join in the Discord so that you won't miss the chance for getting the giveaway. Thanks guys, please support IndiaBees, share to your friends, subscribe.